Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram camera filter not missing. Now let's say you go to your story on Instagram and a certain filter is just not showing up on your Instagram over here. So basically let me show you guys how you guys can fix that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First thing you can do is close your Instagram and make sure it's not running on the background. After you close the Instagram, open your Instagram, go on story again and see if the filter is available. If the filter is still not available, what you can do is swipe to left until you see this icon. Once you see this little search icon, it's going to be the last icon over here. Once you're at the last icon, click on it. And through here at the top right corner, you can see the search icon. Click on it and you can search for the filter using its name if you don't find it. All right. And even after searching for the filter using its name, it's still not being displayed over here. What you can do is close your Instagram, go on your App Store or your Play Store, whichever thing you're using to download apps on your phone. And then you want to search for Instagram. All right. Once you search for Instagram, if it says update over here, you need to update your Instagram. But mine says open, which means my Instagram is up to date. All right. So make sure to update your Instagram because some filters are only available in the latest version of Instagram. So make sure you're running the latest version of Instagram. All right. And it should be fixed. If it's still not, just delete your Instagram, reinstall it again, and it should work. So that's how you guys can fix your Instagram camera filter missing option. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.